Goodbye cables, the best wireless CarPlay adapter of 2025. Are you tired of the mess of cables in your car? Looking for an easier and faster way to enjoy Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without the need for wires? Well, the perfect solution has arrived. Today, we'll be reviewing the 2025 wireless CarPlay adapter, which provides you with an ultra-fast connection, stable performance, and a smarter, more convenient driving experience. Just plug in the device, leave your phone in your pocket, and enjoy a clutter-free driving experience. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll be testing the adapter in action to see if it's worth buying. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 5. Wireless CarPlay Adapter Jemluse. The ultimate smart assistant, comprehensive control while driving. The 3A Magic Link CarPlay box gives you a smarter driving experience, allowing you to easily control everything via voice commands, touch, or rotation. Enjoy fast, automatic connection and seamless operation, saving you 40% of your time when using navigation, music playback, Siri, phone calls, radio, and more. Advanced 7A microchip technology, superior performance for safe driving, equipped with an 8-core processor, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3, the data transfer rate increases by 40%, making it 10 times faster than other devices. Enjoy seamless use of Google Maps, media, and messaging apps on the car's display. The unique 7A chip is resistant to oxidation, rust, and corrosion, and can withstand temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent, uninterrupted performance during long journeys. Premium design. Ultra-lightweight and durable aluminum dongle. The cables and metal housing have been tested 50,000 plus times, making them 3 times longer lasting than traditional plastic devices. Premium materials also enhance heat dissipation to ensure stable performance. Exceptional power and performance. Sleek design and seamless experience. The device features a sleek, classic design with instant connectivity, online updates, and a sophisticated user interface to ensure a seamless driving experience. No additional dashboard mounting is required. Even if your phone is in your pocket, the device will operate efficiently. 4. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Instant, hassle-free connection. A wire-free experience. Get rid of the clutter of tangled wires and enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay. Simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port, and it will automatically pair with iPhone 10 and above in seconds. No waiting, no complicated setup. Just smooth, uninterrupted driving. Broad compatibility, seamless integration. The adapter supports a wide range of iPhones, 10 and above, as well as over 800 car models from leading brands. You don't have to worry about compatibility. Just enjoy the ultimate wireless driving experience. Advanced intelligence, enhanced sound. Enjoy smart connectivity without compromising your car's original audio system. The adapter integrates seamlessly with CarPlay, giving you access to navigation, music, calls, Siri, and more, while maintaining the pure sound quality your car is known for. Compact design, easy portability. The adapter features a sleek, compact design that blends in with your car's decor without obstructing visibility. Its lightweight aluminum body ensures durability and longevity, while the included USB to USB-C adapter offers broad compatibility with various ports. Guaranteed quality, peace of mind. The adapter is engineered with the latest A7S chipset to ensure stable performance and seamless wireless connectivity. It also comes with a 365-day warranty and lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind while driving. 3. Wireless CarPlay Adapter, CarPlay Kits, instant connectivity, effortless control. Enjoy the ultimate smart driving assistant with the wireless CarPlay adapter without the need for additional apps or software. Just a word, a tap, or a swipe is all it takes to easily control CarPlay. Thanks to its ultra-fast connection and sub-second response time, you can save 50% of your time while using navigation, music playback, Siri, phone calls, radio, and more. Fast and stable connection. The wireless CarPlay adapter utilizes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi wireless transmission technology with adaptive frequency hopping technology, ensuring a more stable, faster, and less interference-free connection. Enjoy clear music streaming, crisp calls, and instant navigation response, making your CarPlay experience smoother and more reliable throughout your journey. Broad car and phone compatibility. The adapter supports more than 800 car models from leading brands, but is only compatible with cars equipped with wired CarPlay from 2016 and later. Note, currently not compatible with BMW, Tesla, Jeep Compass, Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or cars that do not have factory-installed wired CarPlay. It is also not recommended for Nissan vehicles between 2016 and 2020. Supports iPhone 6 devices running iOS 10 and above, but is not compatible with Android phones. Easy to use, safer driving experience. The adapter requires only one-time setup and will automatically connect within 5 to 10 seconds when the car is turned on. No more searching for cables or reconnecting while driving, reducing distractions and improving road safety. Fully compatible with the original vehicle controls, including the touchscreen, buttons, steering wheel, dials, and rear-view camera, without compromising performance. Compact design, ultra-durable. The adapter is compact and lightweight, saving space inside the car and making it easy to carry. It stays firmly in place, preventing any unwanted movement that could compromise safety. Made of durable materials enhanced with heat dissipation technology, it undergoes strict standards in production, testing, and shipping to ensure long-lasting quality and complete peace of mind. 2. FAHREN Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Seamless integration between wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2025 FAHREN PL8 Wireless CarPlay Adapter is equipped with the latest third-generation dual-core A7 Pro chip, ensuring perfect compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can easily switch between systems without any connectivity issues. The perfect choice for drivers who use more than one phone. A complete entertainment experience with Netflix and YouTube. This smart adapter not only offers traditional features like navigation, music playback, and Siri, but also lets you watch Netflix and YouTube directly on your car's screen. With a TF card slot, you can play music and videos offline, making it the perfect solution for endless entertainment on the go. Easy setup and instant auto connection. This wireless adapter features simple and quick setup. Simply plug it into your car's USB-C or USB port, connect to Wi-Fi, pair via Bluetooth, and it's ready to go. After initial setup, the device will automatically recognize your phone and connect within 3 seconds, ensuring complete convenience and ease of use. Ultra-fast performance with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Enjoy 3 times faster startup speeds and ultra-stable data transfer thanks to the high-performance chip Wi-Fi 6, 5.8 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.3. This adapter eliminates lag and interruptions, making it the best choice whether you use it as a wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay adapter. Wide compatibility and 3-year warranty. The FAHREN PL8 adapter supports more than 1,200 car models and is compatible with iPhones running iOS 10 and above, Android phones running Android 11 and above, as well as cars that support wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. 1. Wireless CarPlay Adapter TERUNSOUl. 3-in-1. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Android 10.0 in one device. Turn your car into an integrated entertainment center with this smart adapter that combines wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Android 10.0 in one device. Enjoy seamless connectivity and stream your favorite content directly to your car's screen with ease. An immersive entertainment experience while driving. The smart car streaming device comes pre-installed with YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus apps, allowing you to enjoy entertainment content directly on your car's screen. You can also easily download your favorite apps via Google Play and AppCure, turning long drives into fun and entertaining experiences. Compatibility requirements. Ensure your vehicle is supported. The device only works with cars that have wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. Compatible with iPhone 7 and above, iOS 10.0, and Android phones running 11.0 plus. It comes with a USB-A to Type-C cable and a Type-C to Type-C cable for maximum flexibility. Supports 98% of car models, excluding Mazda, Tesla, and BMW. Powerful performance and stable connection, equipped with 32GB storage and 2GB RAM to ensure smooth app operation. Supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, USB and TF ports, and a 1.5 GHz ARM Cortex-A53 quad-core processor ensures fast and efficient performance.